everyone. I am Vina Amor J. Gaston, a third-year student of Northern Bukidnon State College. So as the group decided to equally disseminate topics and examples from the video, my part was to show how to graph x squared plus z squared equals 1. It is the example number 7 in the problems with three-dimensional coordinate system. Now let us proceed to how did I graph it. So for us to have an easier way to graph this equation, this is actually based from the video and I just follow how it goes. So let us first try to graph it in a two space. So now graph it in IR squared. IR squared here is read as two space. So like how we do it in a two space, let us first draw the x-axis and the z-axis. Let us disregard the y-axis because we all know that this is just a two space, so we only need two planes or two number lines. So why did the video instructed us to try it first in a two space? Because we all know and we all are more convenient and used to plotting points in a two space. Then as we can see from our equation, we have two unknown values which are the x and the z. And aside from the unknown values, it also have an exponent of 2, which hints us that our values here that we can dot is either positive and negative 1. So because of that, when plotting it on a two space, so 1 and 2, so because like I've mentioned, it is either positive or negative 1, we can also plot it in here. That is why we created a circle in a two space. So now, because we already know the image of our equation in a two space, let us proceed in graphing it in a three space. Like what we did in this graph, draw the planes first. So we have here the z-axis, the z-axis, which is up and down, the y which is left and right, and the x in this way. So like what we did in the two space, we also created a circle here in our three space. So now to introduce the y, because since it is a three-dimensional coordinate system, to do the y, it will be a continuous system. Since our y here is this, from the right side to the left, so this circle from our x and z would be continuous in each either way. So as you can see, when we did that, we created a 3D space which looks like a cylinder. So that's it, everyone. I hope you learned something and I hope I clearly discussed how to graph x squared plus z squared equals 1 in a three-dimensional coordinate system. Thank you and bye!